for sale.
Wait, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, it already hurts. Let's go, let's go. Let go, let go, let go, let go.
Oh wait, what is this?
It's a little wire thing. Oh no. Oh my god.
We made it out here, dropped it off. Gonna go ahead and take a look at the kit. Hey there, hey there.
I can open the box.
Oh no, it's all right. So it comes in multiple boxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the actual platform itself, and then this is the mounting rails that go under the bed.
Okay. Yeah, the guy that was in here that I paid him the money. He said he had one in his.
Yeah, see, it's like this right here.
Yeah. All right, I know y'all take pretty good care of it. Town and Country Campers, right?
Yes, sir.
Winterville, Georgia.
Yeah.
Y'all anything like that, man, y'all come holler at them. Town and Country Campers. All right, we back out here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put my little plug right there. Got my little plug in the bed down there. Got my little gooseneck ball. Got some rings right here. And get them up with a screwdriver or something. Pretty slick. Came out pretty good. What you think?
Yeah, that metal's tough on Chevrolet.
Yeah.
I left the
Big boys in there.
I left that. Did I cut out?
Yeah.
You flip that ball over, you can stick that back in there and you know it's got it in there.
Okay. Well, it's got a little lever on the side over here.
Yeah, the only thing is these Chevrolets and the dualies,
Yeah.
that right there, you have to notch it a little bit.
Okay.
Either pull it down or push it up, whichever way you want to do. I'll pull it down, make it easy.
Okay. And it'll stay when you pull it out? You pull it and turn it or what?
Yeah, which way you turn it. There you go.
All right.
You know, you gotta do is bump it. Just slam it back shut. But the Chevrolet runs that plastic right there.
Yeah, all
It
right.
makes it aggravating.
Yeah, old BMW. That's the best of the best, ain't
That's it.
it? All right. Yeah. That's it. They got me done. Town and country, right?
That's right.
All right. We done got back home with the dually, with the fresh BMW install. I appreciate those fellas for their good work, but one thing I got to do is clean that up. You see that? I gotta clean that up. So that's where the handle goes, in and out. The handle right there goes in and out for that ball to come in and out. I'm gonna clean that out, maybe make a U shape, but I just don't like the way that look. And that either. But I ain't gonna cut that. I might just paint it. But that's got to be trimmed up. That's got to be a little bit better than that. So I got the Dremel out. I got my Dremel. This used to be my pop's Dremel over here, this one. So I'm gonna find me the right attachment, see if I can clean that up. And if I can clean it up to my liking, it'll be good to go. Trying to get the light right, but that's more of a U shape that I was looking for. I got the edges smoothed down. I think that's pretty good. Got a little OCD, so I may get the shape a little bit right, a little bit better. I grinded some of this down because this little nicks over here that they put in there was kind of sharp, so I grinded all the sharp edges down, and I probably hit it with some paint, and it might be good to go. So let me go get the paint and hit it and see how it turns out. Gotta clean some of this up too. There we go. Blow it out, and this should be a done dealio. I got OCD, man. Some of y'all may feel me on that. I can't, little stuff like that, I got to get it right, man. I got to get it right. And I'm tired as hell. I told the wife I was gonna come home and take a nap today before the street outlaws come on. And I saw that and I said, I gotta fix that. Got to fix it. So we ain't got much left. Let me cut the air hose on. And which is right here somewhere. Right here. Cut the air hose on, blow it out. See how that paint looks over there? We might be done with this. I really need to get this plastic crap out of here and get a real spray-in bed liner. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Get all this out. This is the OEM. Get it all out and get a real bed liner sprayed in. That's probably what I'll do for sure. Give me a price on that. All right, looks good. All right, people, I ended up cutting more. My OCD kept kicking in, man. I could not shake it. I had to make a horseshoe U shape where the handle was. So I took some more time, cut a little bit more, and just got done grinding it down, making it smooth, adding some paint. And I think it came out real well. I like that a lot better. Let's see, shine the light. I like that a lot better, man. It's just a lot more room. Get your hand in there. I hate this little thing too, man. That's how the Chevy comes with this little wire harness right here. I don't know if that's a tail light wire harness or what, but it just gives you more room to get in there and pull the lever. I used some different bits and polishing stuff that I had to smooth this down, so all over is real smooth. It's not gonna cut anyone, but definitely happy with how it turned out. Been wanting to do this for a while. Finally got the gooseneck installed, and I'm just happy with the whole everything, how it turned out. Them guys did a real good job. I just had to fix where the handle was. It was okay. It would have worked, but you know, I'm kind of picky. If y'all ain't told, if y'all can't tell already, I'm kind of picky. But definitely happy overall, man. That was a big step. I've been wanting to get that BMW for a while, The total out the door was like $821. The hitch itself after tax was like $530. So really they charged me about $300 labor. But I was happy with that. I didn't have the time to do it. Y'all see what we're working on over there. So gonna jump on that real soon. But ultimately, man, I'm happy with the way it turned out. We're gonna do some big things with this. Gotta find our gooseneck trailer now, keeping our eyes open, trying to decide what options we want in the trailer, like electric over hydraulic brakes, which is, I guess, similar to disc brakes is what I've been reading. But stuff like that, just trying to nail down the options. Then we'll get a trailer, man, and we'll really put this bad boy to work. But until then, man, I appreciate y'all watching and following along. We're gonna holler at y'all later, man. Peace. We laid the first little coat of paint on this hitch a few days ago, and it has rained since, so it was a little dirty. So I just hit it with some degreaser and pressure wash it to get it back to a stage where we can lay some more paint after it dries or whatnot. The weather is kind of chilly today, so it may take hours for this thing to dry, if not a whole day. So we'll get back on it at some point, but definitely cleaned it off. It looks a whole lot better already from just that one coat that I put on the other day. I taped that up, so I don't want to cover that. It's got all the statistics of the hitch right there. But yeah, we'll see. Crazy thing is, I got this hitch and I also got a stock hitch on the parts truck back there that I'm not sure which one to use. I kind of like the way this Reese aftermarket got the bends in it. It just looks a little bit more pleasing to the eye, I guess you could say. But this truck is gonna be hauling some trailers and whatever, you know, whatever I get into. The other hitch is gonna go on this truck. I want a hitch on all my trucks, every truck, because you never know what you're gonna get into. So this does not have one. And see? And that one might go on this one. So let me run out here and show it to you. All right, so here we go. OEM hitch, big and bulky. Look at that bad boy right there. 5,000 weight carrying, 10,000 weight distributing, 500 on the tongue, and 1,000 on the tongue with a weight distributor. But that's the OEM, man, big and bulky. Y'all see it? So definitely gonna grab that off. I also need a bolt out of the bumper mount right there. I'm one short. But y'all see what I'm saying? I got two hitches. One looks a little bit better than the other. I gotta run back up here because I want to say that Reese has some higher numbers than that OEM. I think that thing said 750 on the tongue. So if that's the case, then it's more capable, well, capable of hauling more weight. And if that's the case, then that's the one we're gonna use. But it's a long walk, people. Woo! Let me see. Yeah, 750 on the tongue. So I'll probably leave this one on here then, since it's already hooked up. It's already got the wiring in and everything for the 7-pin. So that's what we'll do. We'll let that thing dry, and we'll go to painting it, and we're gonna find some other stuff to work on, and we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Had a casualty climbing out from under there. Hope that shit come out. It's my favorite color shirt, sunset orange. It should come out, but that Rust-Oleum pretty strong. Damn. Other than that though, that thing looking good. I freaking love this paint, man. Go on so good. All right, let's let that dry. So we got it installed. That looks pretty good. Paint came out great. I don't have it bolted down all the way yet because I don't think this hitch goes to this truck. Look at that. I moved it around to different holes and that is not quite right. Now it'll probably work. It was on there before, so bolts are bolts. They'll keep it tight. But, you know, I'm not sure if I want to use something that wasn't really intended for the truck. Regardless, it looks good. It came out good. Really, really thrilled with the paint job. So, that's that. I did get the other one off when I was back there getting that bumper bolt off of the parts truck. I went ahead and got this one off. So that's OEM. And that's how it's supposed to go. Come down right there and then angle down. So we can get that one cleaned up. Potentially use it. Potentially we can use it for 700 done, but I ain't sure yet. I still got time. I just mainly wanted to get this one off the ground so it won't mess up my nice paint job. But that's that, man. It's mounted temporarily. Might change it up. I don't know. What y'all think? Use the one off the stock and get another stock one down the road, or just go ahead and go with this one? It looks a little funny right there, but y'all let me know, man. Until then, we're gonna holler at y'all later on. Peace. I'm fonder than that, Buster.
I got one of those. I got two burgers.
Yeah.
So you got the peanut.